1601, Unit 2, Maribel, Padlock renovation. See, it's gonna be a large touch-up paint. It's not our color. It's white, yellow, burgundy, black, full paint throughout of the source. Carpets has several stains throughout. Most of them we will come up. It needs to be checked out. Carpets are also separated in several spots. Doors trash out. Furniture, clothes, household goods, molded food in the refrigerator and freezer. May come clean, not replaced. Appears to be grease stains on the floor, beside the stove and refrigerator. I don't think it's going to come up. It needs to be checked out. Also, are no carbon or smoke detectors installed. They need to be installed. Toilet's tight. Sink's loose, repair. Bathtub needs to be recaulked. Get a deadbolt on the door. Needs to be replaced in bed and bath along with a small crack. Closet door is broken off the hinges. Needs to be repaired. Also unit needs to be sprayed for bugs. And that's about it.